to the metal, let the devil lead me blind. I was way outside the lines, yeah, and I got way off track. Took some wrong turns, looking back, it's been one heck of a ride in my rear view. But I thank the good Lord for the detours to you. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. Want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Jordan Davis called Detours. It's from his newest EP. I believe it's his newest one anyway. So anyway, yeah, super easy song. The picking pattern that I'm going to show you can be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to show you all the how to pluck it all and everything, but you don't have to play that. So I'll show you the way that you could play it with the picking, the intro picking, or that you can just bypass that if you want. Okay, so the chords that you're going to need for this song, it's in standard tuning and there's no capo needed. By the way, if you guys have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comments. And also let me know if you have any questions or anything like that as well. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Okay, so you're going to do C. Okay, you're also going to do F. Okay, you're going to do G. All right, I do this G for it, and then you're going to do A minor. Okay, so those are the only chords, the only 4 chords you're going to need to know, but here's the order for them. So the intro, if you're just strumming it, is just C, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go to F, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then C, down, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you do that once. You do C, F, C, G. Okay, so you'll just do that, and then you'll go into it. Now, if you're gonna pluck it, so if you want to instead of strumming it, if you want to pluck it, you'll do it like this. Okay, so you're gonna you're gonna start with the C chord. All right, so like that. In fact, I'm gonna try and put a little bit more on this hand. Okay, so you're gonna do a C chord, even though you don't need this finger on here, but okay, so you're gonna do C, and you're gonna hammer. I'm gonna take that one off so you can see, okay? So you're gonna hammer on there on the D string with your middle finger, okay, on the 2nd fret. So you're gonna do open hammer, all right, there. And then you're gonna strum, then you're gonna pluck the G string. It's easier if I do this for you. Okay, then you're gonna do G, D, G. So G is just open. So on D, open hammer, open on G, 2, open G, 2, and then because you've got your pointer finger on the 1st fret on the B string, you're gonna pluck the B string. Okay. Okay, then you go back to the D on 2, open on G, open hammer on D, open on G. Then you're going to come down to this modified F, okay, like that. So you just go from C, you just leave this finger here, the pointer finger, you're going to go from C to that F, okay, so you just move down, and then you're going to do this. So then you're going to go D, G, D, G, D, little E. Okay, little E, 3, okay, so then D, G, B, D, G, okay, like that. Then you're gonna go back up to C and repeat what you did before. Okay, so then you're gonna go, so open hammer on 2, on G, open on D, then you go to G, let me repeat that. Open hammer 2 on D, G, 2 on D, G is open, 2 on D, then 1 on B, back to the D string, okay, 2, and then you're going to do open on G, open hammer on D, okay, and then G, open again, okay? Then, next what you're going to do is you're going to go to G, all right? So you're going to do like this, you're going to, like this kind of G, all right? You're going to hit the E string, okay? So E, and then you're going to hit D, which is open, and then again you're going to hit E, and then you're gonna hit G, which is open, and then D, open, and then you're gonna go, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hammer, you're gonna do open and then hammer on the B string on the first fret, okay? So, okay, like that, and then you're gonna go open on D, and then just leave your, because you've been leaving this finger on here, then you're gonna hit the B string one more time. And you can play that through the whole first verse as well, but it's gonna be, like, it's just harder to sing, but you can do that, okay? So that's how you play the intro part. Now, the intro part is that same thing, it's that C, F, C, G, but for that one you're gonna use the other F, okay? So that's how you play the intro and the first verse in the picking, if you want to pick it, okay? So I'm going to walk you through now where you play the chords for the verses. So for the verse, you're going to do, I was a renegade, okay, renegade C, renegade, ragtop, revving up an engine. Okay, it's just that strumming down, down, up, down, up, down, up. I was a renegade, ragtop, revving up an engine. Heck yeah, why not? So on hell, you're going to do F. Heck yeah, why not take it to the limit? I'd smoke it, okay, so I would smoke it is where you're gonna do C. I'd smoke it if you had it at a high school party. Passing is G, okay? Passing round a bottle around a bonfire in the woods. Okay, so after woods, then you do C. Look at me wrong, you dang right, I'd fight you. Parents got divorced, parents is F. Parents got divorced, caught a dog that would bite you. And I'd love them, and I'd love them is C, okay? And I'd love them, and I'd leave them, and it was what it was. And it is, okay, and it is G. And it is what it is, and I wouldn't change it if I could. Okay, so if you are strumming that, just do a little bit softer for that. And then when you get to the chorus, just do it a little bit louder. So the chorus is gonna be, yeah, okay, so C, yeah, lost my way. Okay, then you do F on damn. Dang, near lost my mind. Pedal. Okay, then you go back to C. So you do C, F, C, G. You're going to do that once in the beginning of the chorus, okay? Pedal to the metal, let the devil lead me blind. So like when you're doing blind, you're going to do G kind of in the middle there. Blind, I was way outside the lines. Okay, so then down. Yeah, I got way off track. Okay, then F on right before took, or between took and track and took. Took some wrong turns, looking back, it's been. So you say it's been, and you go to one is A minor, one heck. All right, I'm saying heck, but it's actually hell here. But one heck of a ride. Ride is G, right in my rear view. Rear view is F view. Okay, so after you see F, C, G, then you do C, F, A minor, G, F. Okay? It's been one heck of a ride in my rear view. A minor, G, F. But I thank the good Lord. Good is G, is A minor. Good Lord for the detours. Detours is G. Detours to you. Okay, so then here, you're going to play the intro part again. You're just going to do, well, you're going to play part of it. You're going to play C. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then F, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go back into C, but here's where you're going to start playing the second verse, okay? She was everything but the wings angel out there out of nowhere. Across the room, crooked smile, and I just had to go there. Sitting, okay? So then you play the same thing. It's the same exact chord progression in the second verse as the first verse, okay? Then the second chorus is exactly the same, but for the bridge, this is where it's going to be a little bit different. You're just going to do C, F, C, G, but you're going to do, well, I lost my way. Dang near lost my mind. Pedal to the metal, let the devil lead me blind. I was way outside the lines. Okay, now you could just do that by single strums, okay? Well, I lost my way. Dang near lost my mind. Pedal to the metal, let the devil lead me blind. I was way outside the lines. Okay? And when you go into the last chorus, it's going to be a little bit different. So you're going to start with C, F. You're going to do, and I got way off track. Took some wrong turns, looking back, it's been Okay, so here, before you did A minor G F once and then A minor G C, here you're gonna do A minor G F twice, then A minor G C, then F C. Okay, so you're gonna, I'll walk you through that. You're gonna do, and I got way off track. So that's C, and then F. Took some wrong turns, looking back, it's been A minor. One heck of a ride in my rear view. So A minor G F. And only he knows, so he is A minor, he knows all the hell I had to go through. So hell is G, and then F is through. And I thank him is A minor, him for the detours. Detours is G, detours to you. After you do C. Okay, and then you're gonna go back to F. All the detours to you. So that's F and then C on all, and then C is you. And then you're gonna go F again. And that's how it ended. And then do another F, C, and end it like that on C. Alright, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.